Welcome viewers to the channel. Today's question we are giving that if 5 to the power x is equal to 6 to the power y and also it is equal to 30, we are asked to evaluate this quantity right here. If this is the first time you're seeing me on this place, I want you to sit back and watch this video. If you find value, please subscribe. Okay, so with that being said, let us dive into this question. But take note, we are going to be very creative in this solution. All right. From algebra, I want you to remember that if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, I can go ahead and say B is equal to C and A is equal to C. And also, we also know that A is equal to B. But we need these two quantities, okay? So I'll need these two quantities to break down these guys. So I have here to become 6 to the power y is equal to 30, okay? Yeah, 6 to the power y is equal to 30, and 5 to the power x is equal to 30. So I'll call this child equation 1, and I'll call this child equation 2. Now the next thing I want to do is, in equation 1, I would like to take the power of x of both sides, and in equation 2, I would like to take the power of y of both sides. Later you understand why we are doing all of these things. So if I take the power of x here, I'll have all these guys to the power x and all these guys to the power x, and here all these guys to the power y and all these guys to the power y. So therefore this guy becomes 6 to the power xy is equal to 30 to the power x. Therefore here I have 5 to the power xy is equal to 30 to the power y. So this is equation 1x and this is equation 2y. The next thing I want to do is to multiply both of these equations. So I want to multiply both of these equations. So I'll have 6 to the power xy times 5 to the power xy is equal to 30 to the power x times 30 to the power y. Alright, that is what we have. So let me take off these guys from here. Now remember from the laws of exponents, it says if you have a to the power n times a to the power n, you see when the base are the same, you take one of the base and you add the exponent, okay? And for the case 2, when I have a to the power n times b to the power n, now in this case the base are not the same. So what we do is that, oh sorry, this is power n. The base are not the same, but the powers are the same. So it's going to become ab all to the power n. I hope this is clear. So that is what we are going to use right here. So I'll have these guys, they both have the same power. So it's going to become 6 times 5 all to the power xy is equal to, they both have the same base here. So we have 30x plus y. Okay, so at this point, we can go ahead and simplify this guy. 6 times 5 is 30 to the power xy is equal to 30 to the power x plus y. So at this point, you already know that these guys is going to cancel out because the bases are both the same. So when the base cancel out, we equate the exponent. So xy is equal to x plus y. But mind you, we are asked to evaluate x plus y upon xy. So from this point, I'll just easily divide both sides by x over y, xy I mean. So if I divide it by xy and I divide it by xy, so this guy is going to cancel out. So we have 1 is equal to x plus y over xy. So that is the quantity we are asked to evaluate. This quantity is just equal to 1. So viewers, I believe this is an easy solution for you, and if you understood clearly what we did here, please put it down on the comment section, okay? And if you love what we do, please consider subscribing and sharing the video. I want to see you in the next tutorial. God bless you. Until then, bye.